Even back when I used to do the weather, I can remember one time back in about 1985, we had a Hurricane Lily in the Gulf of Mexico, December the 17th.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
So the hurricanes don't pay attention to the forecast at all, do they?
No, no. All they need is warm water to thrive off of.
There you go.
And there they go. And yeah, we're actually starting to see more of the Atlantic basin begin to heat up. It was a lot of Saharan dust that we had to deal with, and Saharan dust suppresses Atlantic tropical development, but now we're starting to see more of that take shape. Let me give you the latest numbers for us. Yeah, we would really need more dust. That would be ideal. So this is what NOAA put out. Casey was just mentioning it here. I want to highlight what they updated from their earlier release back in May. 15 to 21 named storms, 7 to 10 of those hurricanes. We also follow Colorado State and their outlook too. Now this update was from July 8th, but tomorrow we'll get another update from them. 20 named storms, 9 hurricanes, major hurricanes, that's category 3 or higher, forecasted from their agency, calling for 4. And on average, we see 14 named storms in a typical season. Now, if we start to see development here this month, which we are already starting to see that take place, here's what we're going to have to watch for as we head through the month of August. The formation zones, they're getting started right now in the southern Atlantic, but then they have the option of turning more toward the Atlantic coastline or continuing through the Caribbean and moving up into the Gulf of Mexico. Both of those will need to be monitored very closely. As we look at the big picture, as we track the tropics right now, for the most part, things are relatively quiet, but let me point out some areas that we are keeping an eye on. You'll notice here 3 areas of development. We've got one that's northeast of South America. That really doesn't have much of a chance of formation. Also one here just west of Africa, 0% formation, but the one in orange, yeah, that's the one that we'll need to watch in the next 5 days, a 40% chance of tropical formation. Of course, we expect things to get a little bit more active for us. We will enjoy the nice weather while we can. Sunshine, hazy sunshine. Once again, as we look live from Longview, 86 is the temperature, but with lower humidity in play, the feels like temperature is in the upper 80s to around 90. A light east wind this afternoon. Most areas reaching close to 90, but right now, middle and the upper 80s at this moment. We had some upper 60s to start your Wednesday morning. For tomorrow morning, I expect more of us to begin in the upper 60s. Our wind is turning light east and then going to the southeast as we head into the day on Thursday. A light southeast wind tomorrow, and temperatures will top out close to 90 degrees. We're going to keep an eye to the sky for an isolated rain chance. This does not look to be very impressive, but we do have a disturbance that's going to pass through and bring in some cloud cover. You'll notice the clouds build during the day tomorrow. Most of the rain will be near the Red River, but a shower or two may creep down toward Interstate 30 on Thursday afternoon. And then on Friday, as Gulf moisture begins to pick back up, we've got another chance for showers and storms. Most of these will be along Interstate 10, but I think some of them may ride up into deep East Texas for tomorrow afternoon or for Friday afternoon. We'll keep an eye on that. It's low probability of rain, but more clouds, and then a gradual increase in the humidity. For the weekend, we're still looking at hot and humid weather with very low potential of any rainfall. Getting close to 100 into next week, we'll see if that can pan itself out. In the short term, though, going to savor one more day tomorrow, and then the heat is returning.